Hey, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm on location in Sunbridge again. This is the community of Weslyn Park, and I am going to bring to you a home from a builder, one of the 5 that build here. I have not shown any of their product before. They are called Ashton Woods. They build very nice product. The home behind me is called the Brigham, and it can be configured in different square foot configurations, so you can add on to it according to specs. I think it's the one that I'm going to show you right now is roughly around 1900, but it can go up from there. What you are going to see, first of all, I'll give you a warning. It is a working model, so we have 2 of the rooms I won't really go into much because people are working and I want to respect their space. But what you're going to see in the end is a beautiful, beautiful option that I don't think any other builders are offering right now, which is the construction of a apartment, a separate apartment. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment above the rear entry garage. So it's a very, very nice addition. You can use it to rent out. I've heard some interesting things. I asked the agent what people are doing with that or planning to do with that are buying that option. And some people are traveling, so they'll rent out the main house and come back and have the 1-bedroom as their kind of home base while they're traveling. Some people can't really afford the full mortgage, so they're living in the 1-bedroom and renting out the main house. Some people are doing the flip. They're renting out the 1-bedroom to offset half of the mortgage and living in the main house. Some people want their kids to have their own space, or in-laws. So it opens up another world of possibilities with that option. So it's a very nice feature. While we're at it, if you don't mind, if you could like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon, that'll help this channel to continue to grow so that more wonderful people like yourself can find this and see the wonderful content that I'm trying to put out to inform you, the community, you, the people that are searching for this. So I'd love to be your resource. Please reach out. I'm talking too much. So let's get to that tour. Hey, I hope you like that tour. This is Ashton Woods, the builder, and where I'm standing right now, this is the 1-bedroom apartment option that they offer that nobody else is offering in this community. So it's very unique to this builder, and by what the salesperson told me today, it's a very popular option. People are coming specifically for this. You literally have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It's on a 2nd story right above the separate garage that is a rear entry garage for the home. So if I can show you out this window, there's the home that we toured, and then there's like a space in between the home, and then there's the garage with this separate entry. You can actually access the garage as you go down these stairs. There's a door and you can go from this apartment into the garage. So another option. So options is what people like when they're looking for new construction. So pricing and all that, if you reach out to me, feel free to shoot me a text, give me a call, email me. I'm here to be your resource. It's frustrating when you have to drive around and research on your own and try and start from scratch. I'm doing that legwork for you on this channel, and I want to work with you directly to help you and your family as you navigate all things that are buying and selling real estate in Central Florida. I appreciate it. Like, a subscribe, and a bell notification. It goes a great length to helping people like yourself who are in the market to find this content, and I'm trying to put it out there as much as I can for you. I'm sure you've already seen that, and I appreciate the love you've given me. Reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you and be your resource here in the Central Florida area. Take care, and as always, I'll see you on the next video.